Hi Thomas, Red Robbie, yes, running back now. This is an artificial Staymar Big Thomas the Tank Engine Kiddie ride. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you. You have to add the pie.
There we go.
Ready?
It is dedicated to Thomas Red Robbie, yes, running back now. Get the chairs over there. Yeah. Made by Archer Mitchell in 1994. And released with a Staymar timer in about 2006. Allison, Bristol Thomas Limited. Yeah, I'm not going to show today, I'm not sure. But I will film Stan Thomas if he's working. This is my favourite ride. Yeah. Yeah. Get the chairs over there. You're a really useful engine. I need you to help with your engine. Oh. Yeah. Get the shows over there. Yeah. And that was the Archer Mitchell Staymar board Big Thomas the Tank Engine Kiddie ride.